Let us create this base. First, from the SubD tools, I'm going to use SubD Loft. In order, enter, and let me adjust the segments, left click inside the box, and let me rotate the wheel until I get 10. Let me do the same to the divisions in between the cross sections, and let me scroll to get 3. Once I have that, let me hit OK. I am working in box mode. Remember, press the tab to go back, press the tab to switch to the box mode. Now that I am here, I am going to offset this SubD, enter, inside, maybe 1/4 of an inch. I do not want a solid, and I do not want both sides. Press enter, and there I have the one inside. Let me select that one and hide it for a moment. Perfect. Now that I am here, let me go to SubD, Edit Tools, Inset. And let me select 1, 2, and maybe 3. Enter. Let me snap to this corner and more or less change the offset of those edges right there. Perfect. Remember what I said, those faces are selected, so we are ready to delete them. Perfect. Now unhide the one that is behind and hide the one in the front. And let's do the same. Right click, inset, and those 3. We're gonna do the same, near, and maybe up to there. Delete those faces and unhide everything. And now we can switch in between box mode, and we are ready to bridge. Let me select first the one inside, press enter, the one outside, press enter, and maybe I want one more or 3. 3 is more than enough, and you can see that you can change just a little bit. I'm going to leave it right there. Let me do it to this one. Right click to repeat the inside edges, enter, the outside edges, enter, and hit OK. And one more. This is so easy. Right click, select, right click, and hit OK. And now we can render it. And there you go. As easy as that. But let me go back to shade it. And how about if we bridge this one, enter, with this one, enter. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Very nice. Hit OK. I can turn on faces. Select all of these, or maybe all of these, and move them up here and rotate them just a little bit. There you go. render one more time, and you have your beautiful base, all within Rhino 7.